Hello, it's been a long morning, quite a warm day today, almost 37 degrees Celsius. It's been a bit breezy and we thought it might rain, but the sun is out very strong and it's quite hot. We spent the day today planting in this little section of our farm, which we are thinking of calling the bell garden, because we have a few bells hanging up there. In permaculture, it's easy to work with small pieces of land. And so at our farm, we've demarcated many small pieces of land and designed them as individual gardens. Here is one such garden from which we have removed the old crop and are now preparing it for the next season. We built a bunch of raised beds in a particular symmetrical design, and we've cleared out the previous crops. And one of the things that I was not happy with was that it only had annuals growing here, and every time we had to clear out the annuals and plant the next season. We've decided to shift from annuals to perennials in as many parts of our property as we can. So the way we've designed it now is to introduce many more perennials here so that there's a certain permanency to this piece of land. And I'll just take you around and show you what we've put and how we've designed this area today. So you can see that I have south side towards my left, so the sun pretty much comes in from this side all the time. And therefore I didn't want to plant anything too tall because it would cast long shadows. So what we've put is a combination of okra and marigold, which is bhindi and genda. That's what's planted on the south side and on this side as well. But on the north side, we've actually planted an entire row of pigeon pea, which is a perennial. And I'm hoping that that's going to form a nice boundary here. And even though it will grow pretty tall and cast its shadows up north, it doesn't really bother us because nothing is growing beyond it. It will also provide for a nice hedge and help to camouflage some of the broken fence that we have on this side. In the 4 squares on the ground, I've introduced some flowers here for a sense of permanence, and that's a combination of the Barbados lilies, day lilies, and tuberoses. Also, we've planted some Thai basil here as a permanent herb, coupled with some capsicum, which is more of an annual, which I've just planted for this season. So slowly drifting towards perennials. And finally, on the east side of this plot, I've planted an entire row of pumpkin. And as these vines will grow, they'll find their way out of this fence into the land beyond. So while we tend to the vines from here, from these raised beds, make sure they're well fertilized and well watered, the bulk of the growth will fall out of this area into this food forest that we have outside. So that's really been the design. I'm quite pleased with it because there's a certain sense of permanence here that I'm beginning to feel already. And even though some of these plants are going to only last for a season, but then I'll be able to introduce more perennials each time the crop ends. We want to minimize disturbance of our soil and therefore do away with annuals and move to perennials wherever possible. So much for now. Thanks for watching. Do like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see many more videos from Ananda Permaculture Farm. Bye.